When your project relies on quality fabricated piping delivered to your site on time and to spec, Ahern's Pipe Fabrication Shop has got the answer.
When it comes to excellence, Ahern employees are highly trained, certified, and dedicated to providing the highest quality service.
Our state-of-the-art shops make even the most challenging project deadlines manageable. We have a combined square footage of 418,000 square feet, with over 36 acres of laydown yard across our Appleton and Fond du Lac facilities. Indoors includes segregated fabrication bays for most metals, a blasting facility, climate-controlled painting facility, and radiography. Within these facilities, we offer a wide range of capabilities, including dedicated project management, as well as drafting and material control. Between our team and our facilities, Ahern is able to produce an average of 141,000 weld hours with standard work weeks. At Ahern, our dedication to quality means fully traceable materials and a full team of dedicated quality control inspectors holding extensive quality-related certifications to provide a wide variety of non-destructive in-house quality control testing. At Ahern, we're dedicated to delivering high-quality prefabricated piping on time and in accordance with your specification, so your project is successful.